Superlative adverbs compare three or more actions to show the highest degree. They answer which action happened in the greatest, least, or most extreme way among a group. For example, fastest means quicker than all others, most carefully means with more care than anyone else, and best means better than everyone. Here are basic examples of superlative adverbs. She runs the fastest means her running speed beats everyone else's. He drives the most carefully shows his driving has more caution than others. They sing the best means their singing quality tops the group. Follow these simple rules to make superlative adverbs. For one-syllable adverbs like fast, add s to make fastest. For two or more syllable adverbs like carefully, put most in front to make most carefully. Always use the word before superlative adverbs. Superlative adverbs work in full sentences like this. She runs the fastest of all the runners means no one runs quicker than her. He drives the most carefully shows maximum caution in driving. They arrived the earliest means they came before everyone else. Some adverbs have special irregular superlative forms that don't follow normal rules. Well becomes best, badly becomes worst, little becomes least, far becomes farthest. Memorize these 4 common irregular forms for correct usage. See irregular superlatives in action. She sings the best in class means her singing tops everyone. He performed the worst today shows lowest performance. They have the least experience means minimum among the group. She traveled the farthest means longest distance covered. These sentences use superlative adverbs correctly. Of all students, she studied the hardest means maximum study effort. He speaks the most clearly in meetings shows clearest speech. They finish the race, the earliest means first to complete. Practice forming superlative adverbs by filling these blanks. Common answers include most confidently, fastest, most clearly, earliest, and hardest. Say each sentence aloud using the correct superlative form to build confidence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.